Welcome to our guide on mastering margin trading on Gate.io. Let's explore how to amplify your crypto gains responsibly. Margin trading offers increased profit potential, but it's crucial to understand and manage the associated risks. Let's walk through the Gate.io mobile app and access the exchange section for leverage trading. Adjusting leverage is key. We'll show you how to use the slider and understand its impact on your trades. We'll compare coin-margined and USD-margined options to help you select the best fit for your strategy. Learn to set up take-profit and stop-loss orders effectively, crucial for managing your trading risk. We'll explore the order history feature, helping you track and learn from your trading activities. Understanding and optimizing fees is crucial for maintaining profitability in margin trading. Ready to amplify your crypto gains? Click below to create your Gate.io account and start trading responsibly.